Welcome back, my friend. I'm Tama, and I'm grateful to have you here once again on our path of reflection and wisdom. In today's fast-paced world, the mind is easily pulled in 1,000 directions. But what if you could find peace, not by escaping it all, but by being fully present in the middle of it? This is the essence of mindfulness. It's the practice of truly arriving in each moment without judgment. A way to observe your thoughts, gently quiet the noise, and meet life with clarity and calm. In this video, I'll guide you through simple and effective ways to bring mindfulness into your daily life, whether you're at work, at home, or somewhere in between. If you're seeking more peace, sharper focus, and emotional strength in the middle of modern chaos, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Mindfulness is the practice of maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. It emphasizes being present and fully engaged in the here and now, which is crucial for reducing stress and enhancing emotional well-being. By cultivating mindfulness, we can break free from the cycle of anxiety and distraction that often plagues our daily lives. The roots of mindfulness can be traced back to Buddhist philosophy, where it is seen as a vital component of spiritual development. In Buddhism, mindfulness is part of the Eightfold Path, guiding individuals toward enlightenment and deeper self-awareness. This ancient practice encourages us to observe our experiences without judgment, fostering a sense of acceptance and compassion. Incorporating mindfulness into our daily routines can lead to numerous benefits, including improved focus, better emotional regulation, and enhanced relationships. By embracing mindfulness, we can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and clarity, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling existence. Incorporating mindfulness into your everyday tasks can transform mundane routines into enriching experiences. You can practice mindfulness while doing simple activities like washing the dishes, walking, or even eating. For instance, when washing dishes, pay attention to the sensation of the warm water, the texture of the soap, and the sound of the dishes clinking. This focus on the present moment can turn a chore into a meditative experience. During your daily commute, try to be fully aware of your surroundings. Notice the colors of the trees, the sounds of the city, or the rhythm of your breath. To enhance mindfulness in these activities, consider using techniques like deep breathing, or setting a timer for a few minutes to concentrate solely on the task at hand. By bringing awareness to these routine activities, you can cultivate a sense of peace and presence, making your day more enjoyable and fulfilling. Breath awareness is a cornerstone of mindfulness practice, serving as a powerful tool to anchor us in the present moment. By focusing on our breath, we can calm our minds, reduce stress, and enhance our overall sense of well-being. When we become aware of our breathing, we create a space for clarity and relaxation, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with greater ease. Let's try a simple breathing exercise together. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold that breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth. As you breathe in, visualize positivity entering your body. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or negativity. Repeat this for a few cycles. To cultivate mindfulness, aim to practice this mindful breathing technique regularly throughout your day, whether during a break at work, while waiting in line, or even before bed. It's a small yet impactful way to enhance your mindfulness journey. In our tech-driven world, practicing mindfulness can be particularly challenging due to the constant distractions posed by smartphones and social media. Notifications, alerts, and the endless scroll of content can pull our attention away from the present moment, making it difficult to cultivate a mindful mindset. This digital noise often leads to increased stress and anxiety, detracting from our ability to focus and connect with ourselves and others. To create mindful boundaries with technology, consider setting specific times for checking your devices. You might designate phone-free zones in your home or establish tech-free hours during the day. Additionally, try turning off non-essential notifications to minimize distractions. Encouraging mindful breaks from screens is essential for recentering yourself. Take a few moments to step away from your devices, breathe deeply, and engage in a calming activity, like stretching or going for a walk. By consciously managing your technology use, you can enhance your mindfulness practice and foster a more balanced relationship with the digital world. A calm and clutter-free environment is essential for cultivating mindfulness. When our surroundings are organized and serene, it becomes easier to focus and connect with the present moment. A chaotic space can lead to distractions and stress, making it challenging to engage in mindfulness practices effectively. To create a mindful space, consider incorporating elements that promote tranquility and relaxation. Adding plants can bring a touch of nature indoors, improving air quality and creating a soothing atmosphere. Candles or soft lighting can enhance the ambience, providing a warm glow that encourages calmness. Personalizing your space is also key to making it feel inviting and conducive to mindfulness. Include items that resonate with you, such as meaningful artwork, comfortable cushions, or calming scents like essential oils. By tailoring your environment to reflect your preferences, you'll create a sanctuary that supports your mindfulness journey, making it easier to engage in practices like meditation, deep breathing, or simply enjoying a moment of stillness. In this video, we explored various techniques for practicing mindfulness in our daily lives. From incorporating mindful breathing exercises to creating a calm and clutter-free environment, each method serves to enhance our awareness and presence in the moment. We also discussed the challenges posed by technology and how to establish mindful boundaries, ensuring that we can focus on what truly matters. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of mindfulness lies in consistent practice. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these techniques, you can significantly improve your mental clarity, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on mindfulness and personal growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these practices. Together, we can create a more mindful community, one breath at a time. Thank you for watching.